Having me, Chris. I'm so happy to be here.
Wow, you're so prim and proper kumpara sa mga nakikita ko sa mga video mo kung saan galit ka, you're very passionate, and now you're parang mahinahon.
Ganito talaga pag nasa tamang tao ka na.
Ganun ba yun? Okay. Pero Jam, sige, alam mo marami sa mga viewers natin ngayon, I'm sure are going to be reacting with the fact na we're even sitting on the same table.
Yes.
Kasi, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, pero ang impression nga talaga ay you were a DDS. And
Yes.
is that even an insult to call somebody a DDS? Di ba
To
hindi?
me, it is.
It is.
To me, it is because I never was, and I feel like now with the atrocious things that the DDS have been doing, parang hindi nakaka-proud maging DDS. Siguro dati-rate, kung ang basehan ng pagiging DDS ay taga Davao ka, botante ka ng mga Duterte, at die hard ka sa kanila for the right reasons, sige, pwede pa. Pero ako talaga, I never voted for PRRD. Ang presidente ko noon, nung time niya, ay si Miriam. Miriam supporter talaga ako. Pangalawa, hindi ako taga Davao, taga Butuan City ako. At pangatlo, kailangan pa din na kahit mahal kita, you still need to be accountable sa mga bagay-bagay.
Okay, that last
Hindi ako
line.
konsentidor.
Yes, yun ang interesting ano. Hindi ka konsentidor, pero nung panahon sorry, how long have you been doing mga parang vlogs or became an influencer that was connected with Duterte?
I got discovered in 2020 when I started speaking on his behalf. But then, the that I did it for him. Ang sa akin kasi, I started making videos to correct the misconceptions and the wrong things. Kasi more than anything else, ang plataforma ko kasi ay para sa katotohanan. Even if the truth hurts, di ba? And siguro, I have to take accountability kung bakit galit na galit ako dati. Kasi ikaw ba naman ang tahimik for 5 years? Di ba, ikaw naman ang kinikimkim mo ang lahat ng mga nakikita mo, nababasa mo, naririnig mo, at wala kang reaction for 5 years. Kaya nung December 17, 2020, doon nagbago ang lahat. Napuno ako, nagsalita ako, at hindi na po na-stop.
Napuno ka saan?
Napuno ako sa lahat ng mga pinagsasabi nilang hindi naman totoo.
Pinagsasabi kanino?
Like, in government in general, it wasn't really for PRRD. He just happened to be president. Kaya yung una ko kasing video na talagang that went viral, they saw it as a defense to the president, but in fact, it was honoring our frontliners. No? Yung unang video ko kasi was nasaan ang Pangulo just because sinagot ko lang na nasaan ang Pangulo. They were already expecting that I was defending him.
Right.
And ganun yung thinking nila na, sleeper cell ata to ni Duterte, parang si Duterte ata may planting nito. But absolutely not. No? I simply spoke on it because nasaktan ako para sa kaibigan ko that was a part of the Philippine Army kasi my best friends, one of my best friends is from the Philippine Army at that time, and during that time, kakapanganak lang niya, and she was, still serving our country. She had a baby in tow, and it was the pandemic. And still, di ba, parang kung makapagsalita ang mga Pilipino na galit sa gobyerno, parang presidente lang, bakit kayo maghahanap sa presidente kung dapat nating i-honor ang ating mga frontliners? It started like that.
Okay.
Ganun lang talaga. It started like that, and then doon na nag-snowball na. Kasi of course, of my knowledge of course, the NPA operations, because I was volunteering with the Philippine Army and the Philippine National Police back then, parang doon na nag-snowball. Na parang kahit man, it was really a general parang thing, and because of PRRD's stance and directives as president, they all assumed I was defending him. Diba? Parang
okay.
ganun yung naging kalalabasan.
Pero ikaw yung isa sa mga pinakamaingay na mouthpiece ni Duterte.
If not the most.
Yeah, well, let's contest that.
Yes.
How do you feel about the other big mouthpieces? Mga I'm gonna
Yes,
name names,
sure,
sina Sas, sina Joey. Joy ba? Joy. I don't know how to pronounce your name
There's nothing joyful about her.
Okay. So, and then sina Trixie. I remember nga kasi, ako din mismo, I remember, inataka ko nung sina
Don't they
Kolokoy.
all?
They do
Don't
naman.
they
All of them did naman.
Hindi naman sila mapapansin kung hindi sila nang-a-attack.
Right. Oo. So, napansin ko, and ako, I never attack back. I never defend. I mean, for me,
Makakapagod.
yeah.
Magpapaganda na lang ako. Ayoko na.
Yun.
Bahala kayo.
Pero
Stay in that
kayo
era.
ba, magkakasama kayo? Never did?
I did an interview with Sass. I attempted at a friendship. But then I figured that Sass is sass. Sass is only for sass. I mean, again, no hate and no judgment and no shade towards somebody who's that much into herself. Ang sa akin lang, ayoko na. Parang, like you said, galit na galit, gustong manakit, pangit. Pero ngayon, ayoko na. No. Hindi po pwedeng maganda at kalma lang to attract good and better things. Parang, ayoko na. I can always drive my point.
Right, okay. And,
Diba? Na, hindi talaga. Then, I don't subscribe. Kaya ayoko nga maging DDS. Katignan mo naman sila. Ang dry. No, ayoko.
oh,
So
okay.
colorful. Gusto
Pero
ko masaya.
na-imagine ko, no, Jam, na ang dami siguro nagalit sa'yo na sumusuporta kay Duterte nung biglang one day nakita ko yung video mo and I remember this. I was like, ano ba tong si Jam Magno? Hindi ko maintindihan. Biglang sinasabi niya na gusto daw ni Duterte ma-ICC at dapat lang. And ako mismo, I was like trying to do mental gymnastics na para maintindihan kita.
No, because at the end of the day, I know PRRD differently. The PRRD that you all see, the president of the Philippines, the person that everybody seems to worship is not the same. I mean, is the same person that I know, but I just know him differently. We've had conversations that are not the same conversation. Kaya galit na galit itong mga to sa akin kasi sila mamatay-matay sa kakasipsip. Hindi naman sila ganun kamahal.
Yun.
Hindi naman sila kinukumusta. Hindi naman sila tinatawagan. Hindi naman sila, alam mo yun, na kahit close in security ni Sir, alam na alam yan. That iba ang relationship ko. Ay, hindi ako baby girl ha. Pero at the end of the day kasi, mataas ang respeto sa akin ni PRRD kasi hindi ako sip-sip sa kanya. Hindi
Sinasabi
ako
mo ba sa kanya kung may mali siyang ginagawa?
sinasabi ko, hindi ko pinopost. Kaya sa mga nagsasabi po na kinukonsente ko po siya, hindi po. Hindi ko po siya kinukonsente. Ang lahat po ng opinion ko para sa kanya, sinasabi ko sa kanya diretso. Di ba?
Tama.
Kasi ganyan ka naman talaga. Oo, yung mga tao po na nilabhan ko dati, sinaktan ko, hindi pa rin po ako sorry, ay hindi naman po dahil hindi kasi kita ma-reach. Hindi kita makausap ng diretso kasi prangka po ako. Kay PRRD sa mga moments na may gusto akong sabihin, may gusto akong baguhin, may gusto akong request ganito ganyan, hindi para sa sarili ko, kundi para sa kapakanan ng ibang tao, dinediretso ko siya. Kasi,
Okay.
'di ba? Ako kasi when I started this platform, I never thought about me. It just happened that it comes with a name, it comes with my goal to separate from my family, to have my own name kasi of course I was living in my family's shadow back in our city all my life and I wanted to enter public service. No?
Okay.
So I wanted to be known for myself. Kahit man ito ay pakikinggan na parang narcissistic at selfish, pero para kasi sa akin, iba na din talagang makikilala niyo ako dahil sa mga ginawa ko. Hindi dahil sa ginawa ng nanay ko, o ginawa ng tatay ko, o ginawa ng lolo't lola ko. Lalo na kung hindi naman po pareho. Diba?
Okay.
Kasi sa aming lahat, ako yung pinaka-outspoken. Diyos ko, Lord. Kung pwede lang ako i-mute at i-silent ng sarili kong pamilya. Pero hindi nila kinaya. Yung parang, ay, di ba yung Click, yung movie
Oo
ni
nga.
Adam Sandler, di ba? Yung parang, ay, walang remote. At saka, na-realize ko rin, it is such an unhappy life to not be living in your truth.
Yes. Yes.
So that was what happened to me. I ran away from home, was never disowned. I just want to clarify. I ran away from home in 2020, brought my son with me, and then that's it. I lived my truth as
Okay.
Jam Magno.
So now that you lived your truth as Jam Magno, and I like what you said kanina na being accountable.
Of course.
Okay. So dito sa pagpunta ni Duterte sa ICC, you agree with this?
I do.
Yeah, and I'm sure marami kang nakuhang hate from the people that support Duterte, tama?
Of course.
Anong mga sinasabi nila tungkol sa position mo sa pagdala kay PRD sa sa ICC?
Kasi sa kanila kasi, 'di ba? Kasi mahal na mahal nila, ayaw nila na pupunta siya sa ICC. 'Di ba? Ayaw nila na pananagutan niya ang mga bagay-bagay na siya rin mismo lumabas sa bibig niya.
Yes,
'Di ba?
sinabi niya.
Ako bahala sa inyo. Buhata lang na ako'y bahala sa inyo. Tindugan ako. I mean, these are things that he said to the people that actually did the stupid things before. He was the type of president that stood for his people. Was he not? To me, he was. And to me, that was what was admirable na si Sir, grabe ang loyalty ni Sir sa mga tao niya. However, ang hindi maintindihan ng mga tao ay kung mahal na mahal mo ang isang tao, kung ako, halimaw ako magmahal, Pero gusto ko na pupunta ka sa ICC para ma-clear ang name mo.
Right. Yeah, because that's why you're going naman talaga.
Kaya
It's a
nga.
trial. Para malaman kung